In this video, we will see code implementation. Now let's see the code implementation of the problem. So I will first let's take the example, input example. So I will take input and output. This is my string. So I will take one pointer j equals to 0. I will create one object and then I will take size is 0 and I will take one loop that will start from 0 to the s dot length. Okay, and then what I will do, I will find I'll find that if object of s of I is not equals to undefined, that means it is already defined, and j is less than equals to object of s of I, right? If it is, if the element is already defined and is j is less than object of si, so what I will do, I will say j that object of s of I plus 1, that is start from the next element. Apart from this, what I will do, I will simply assign the element object of s of I equals to index and size equals to math dot max I minus j plus 1. We will get the size, and that's it. In the last, we will return size. This will be the whole approach of the approach 2 that we have discussed, right? The optimized approach, and we will get all the result in big O of n. This will be my approach. Now on the next video we will see that what will the dry run of this code. Okay, so in the next video we will see the dry run of this problem statement.